Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Glassdoor to find and apply for jobs. First, open your web browser and go to the Glassdoor website and sign in. After signing in, look at the top menu on the page. Click on the job section. This will take you to the job search page. Here you will see a list of job openings. At the top of the job list, click on the option called for you. This section shows jobs that match the field, role, and location you entered when you created your account. You can also search for jobs manually. Use the search bar at the top of the page. In the first box, type the job title, company name, or skill you are looking for. In the second box, enter the location where you want to work. Then press enter to see the results. Scroll through the list of jobs and take your time to read the titles. When you find a job that looks interesting, click on it. This will open the job details page. Here you can read about the company, job responsibilities, requirements, salary range, and employee reviews. If the job offers Easy Apply, you will see an Easy Apply button. Click on it. You will be taken to a new page where Glassdoor asks for basic information. This may include your phone number, email address, current location, and resume. Fill in all the required fields carefully and review your information. Once everything is complete, submit your application. That is how you can use Glassdoor to find and apply for jobs. Thanks for watching.